Welcome back to Dnyanakashiacademy. In this class, we are going to study about Maharashtra board syllabus of a 5th class mathematics workbook solution assignment number 4. Assignment number 4, first question already we solved. Please watch and go to the playlist. Before watching this video, please subscribe and bell icon to the next way. In this class, we are going to study about assignment 4, second question. Solve the following example. First question. When a certain number of multiplied by 56, the product is 3640. Find that number. Question is like this. One such a number is multiplied by 6. That number we don't know. And that number must be multiplied with a 56. The product is 3640. Find the another number. The multiplicand we don't know, that's why we take a x into 56 there, and the product is 3640. Multiplier 56 we called as a multiplier, the product is 3640. We find out the multiplicand, it means quotient. 3640 divided with the 56. 56 into 0, 0, and 36 minus 0, 36, and 36 minus 0, 36. 36 not divisible by 56, that's why we take a 4 downside. 364. 56 6 are 336. 364 minus 368, we get 228. 28 is not divisible by 56, that's why we take a 4 0 downside. This one is a 280. 56 by 218, the remainder is 0. The required number is 65. The quotient is 65, remainder is 0. And next second question. The total daily wages of the certain number of workers at 87 per day was 6,873. Find the number of workers. Daily workers are there on per worker daily 87 per day. One worker 87 per day, and the total rupees is 6,873. Find the number of workers. Let n be the number of workers. How much? We don't know. That's why we take a n. And let w total be the total daily wages. Okay, and let w per worker to be daily wages per worker. N is equal to total worker divided by total worker per worker, like this. Already given how many rupees to total, and per day how many monies are there. 87. Divide these two numbers, and 87 divides with the 6,873. We know the 87 table. First write in roughly, and next we calculate this one. 87 into 0, 0, and 68 minus 0, we get 68. 68 is not divisible by 87, that's why I take a 7 downside. 687. 87 7 are 609. Minus here 687 minus 609, minus, and subtract, we get 78. 78 is not divisible by 87, that's why I take a 3 downside. This one is a 783. 87 9s are 783, with the remainder is a 0. The number of workers are 79. Next, third question. The 40 plastic bottle can be packed in a cardboard box. How many similar boxes will be required to pack 6,080 such a bottles? Here one cardboard box there, here that cardboard box have a, in a cardboard box 40 plastic bottle can be packed. How many similar boxes will be required to pack 6,080 such a bottles? The number of bottles per box is 40, and total number of bottles we have to find. Number of box is equal to total number of bottles divided by number of bottles per packs. How many total number of bottles? 6,080. And Number of bottles per box 40. Divide here, and 40 ones are 40. 60 minus 40 we get 20. 20 is not possible to divide with the 40. That's why we take a 8 downside. 208. 40 5 are 200. 208 minus 200 we get 8 is a remainder. 8 is not divisible by 40. That's why I take a 0 downside. This one is 80. 42 is 80. Remainder is 0. The final answer is 152 similar box arranged to the pack 6080 plastic bottle. Next one, fourth. 32 seeds are required to make a one notebook. 32 seeds are required to make a one notebook. How many notebook can be made out of the 52,784 seeds, and how many seeds will be left over? We have to prepare one notebook containing 32 seeds are required to make a one notebook. How many notebook can be made out? And total number of seeds there 52,784, and prepared of one book notebook is 32 seeds. How many seeds will be left over? The answer solution is there. Number of notebooks is equal to total number of seeds divided by seeds per notebook. How many total number of seeds? 52,784 divided by 32. Answer is here. And 32 ones are 32. Remainder is 52 minus 32, 20 we get. And 7 take downside. 32 6 are 192. The minus here, and 15 is a remainder. 8 take a downside. 32 4s are 128. The remainder is 30. 4 take a downside, and 32 9s are 288. The minus here, and 16 remainder. I put a one small decimal point here. That's why I take a 0 here. And 32 5s are 160. The remainder is 0. The seeds left over is equal to total number of seeds minus seeds used. How many seeds are used here? Here given, already given total number of seeds here, and seeds are used. How many? 1649. We take a round figure, leave it 0.5. And 32 pages one notebook used. How many seeds? 1649. We multiply, and the answer is 52,768. Total number of seeds already given. We find out the seed used, and the seeds are left over only 16. Next assignment number 5. Solve the following example. The 15 families in a society together brought 12 sacks of rice, each weighing 80 kg. How much rice did each family get? Each sack weights are 80 kg, therefore 12 sacks. And total weight is 12 sacks into 80 kg per sack. And how much we get? 960 kg. 960 kg. There are 15 families, and the total rice is 960 kg. And how many families are there? 15. How many kgs we get rice? 960. Divide here, and 15 6 are 90. Remainder is 6. 0 take downside. 15 4 are 60. Remainder is 0. The each family received 69 kg of rice. Next, second one. Assignment 5, second question. 60 students contribute in a 450 rupees each for the educational trip, and 25,600 were spent for a trip, and remaining money was put in welfare. pound of the school. How much amount was put in the welfare fund? And the solution is 60 students into how many? Education 450. 450 per student. We calculate here, the total amount is like this: 60 into 450, 27,000. The remaining amount after trip expense 27 already, and it means 60 students, each educational trip 450, multiplication 27,000. 27,000 minus 25,600, we subtract here, remaining is 1,400, and the answer is 1,400 rupees was put in the welfare fund of the school. And the third one question, out of the 15,000 rupees, Mr. Sampath donated 6,000 rupees to rehabilitation center. Rehabilitation center. The remaining money was divided equally among 8 deserving children. How much money did each child get? Answer is subtract the denoted amount from the initial amount. How much of the initial amount? 15,000. And the 6,000 is a rehabilitation center to given 6,000 rupees. 15,000 minus 6,000, we get the remaining amount is how much? 9,000 rupees. Divide the remaining amount by the number of children. How many money per children? 9,000 divided by 8. 8 deserving children. 8 already given here. Divide using the division method. 9,000 like this. We make a 8. 8 ones are 8 like this. You do continue here 1, and we take a 2 downside. Again 8 ones are 8, minus here, and 10 minus 8 we get 2, and take a 0 downside, and 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16, and the 4 is a remainder, and again we take a 0 downside, and 8 pies are 40. Okay, 8 pies are 40, the remainder is 0. Each child receive 1,125 rupees.